HotBrandsWholesale.com is back again, and we have men's pants. 10 pairs of men's pants. If you're looking for a little lot here, get you through the winter months, this is the one for you. Let's see what you're going to get. We have Tommy Hilfiger. These are the Flex Pant 32 or 34, 32 in the khaki. You're going to get a Greg Norman 3630. These are real nice. They're travel pants, golf pants. They got the logo. And then English laundry. These nice, heavy duty charcoal gray. Look how nice they're inside. Really nice. There's English laundry in there. And these are 34. You see those? You got the vintage weatherproof 3230. These are like a navy. Looking good. Moving on. Another vintage 3432. The Expedition khaki. They're like the brown, darker khaki color. But all tags included. Stretchable. Looking good. 2 Greg Norman. These are the travel pants. This classic brand 32 on both of them. And they are the navy. There's the sharp inseam. 2 of those. Here's another Flex Tommy Hilfiger khaki. You got the Tommy Hilfiger colors inside there. These are pretty cool. Look at the pocket for light blue. Very nice. 3430 on these. We have the Kirkland Signature, which is the Costco brand, in the slate gray color. Kind of like the work pants or everyday pants. 3430. Really A condition here in the pants. And finally, these GH Bass & Co. These are gray. Nice looking pants. Heavy duty construction. They're nice. You can just by touching them, you can tell they're well put together. Nice button on them. The zipper looks good. Inseam looks good. 40 by 30. So if you're looking for 10 pairs of dress pants or everyday pants, just in general, a good lot to have some men's pants. You came to the right place. Check how to order at hotbrandswholesale.com or on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. Be a part of the hotbrandswholesale.com family. 2021 will be our best year. Your success is our success, so I want you to succeed. Have a great day.